Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me for today's Inner Child Oracle card reading. Take a big deep breath with me in through your nose and out through your mouth as you sink into today's reading, asking if this is meant for you, and if it is, keep listening. Today, all three of our cards were reversed. So this is telling me we need a lot more clarity, grounding, and discernment in our lives. So the very first card was Akule Guidance. And when Akule is reversed, it means that you're looking for signs in everything. What you're actually doing is really confusing your mind, right? So instead of continuously looking for all of these signs in the external, what Akule is saying is come back inside. You have every answer you need within you. So breathe into yourself and find the answers there instead of creating more external confusion. The next thing we have was Cadence Sing reversed. When she is reversed, she's saying that you're speaking your truth, but it might not be in alignment with the essence of your core self. You have to remember that as human beings, we're constantly evolving. We have the ability to totally rewire our brain and become new people every single day if we choose. And so the words you're speaking may not be in alignment with the person you've become as you've been on this healing journey. So again, going inside of yourself and getting back in alignment. And then of course, your message needs to be heard. So getting it out into the world is so important right now. And the very last card we have is Hazel Wonder. And when she comes out reversed, she is saying that you might be seeing a perspective through dirty lenses. So again, when our mind, body, and spirit aren't in alignment, we perceive reality in a completely different way. That's why some days you can wake up and have the exact same situation, but you're just like, can't see any good in the world. And some days you wake up and you're like, this is the best day of my life. You're waking up in the same bed with the same environment, right? But it's our brain that allows us to perceive things differently. And so again, getting back into alignment with your inner self. Maybe this is a time for more meditation, mindfulness practice, grounding practices. But one thing I know for sure is Source right now is calling us all to get back to our authentic essence. And that means there's a separation from the bigger world right now because there's so much feedback and noise going on out there that it's hard to hear our own unique way of seeing things. And so let yourself go into hermit mode for a moment, get back into alignments. And then with that clarity and with understanding of your real core essence, then begin to reemerge, speaking your truth and owning your innate abilities to change this world. Let me know if this resonates with you, what's coming up as you hear it. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.